don't forget to subscribe to my mom's channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel. You will see many places, Tanzania, Ooty, Mudumalai and lots more. So don't forget to check it out. And don't forget to check my last video to reduce hair fall super fast. Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing an amazing, actually the best remedy to get rid of acne scars, pigmentation, tan, discoloration and any mark on your skin. Even vanishes wound marks and burn marks. Like always, I would suggest to use pure aloe vera gel. So you need to have the plant at home, and if you have it, nothing like it. Just slit it for the gel. It is super duper good for all your skin issues, babies, especially even to tighten your skin and get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. Aloe vera gel is magical, and I would suggest you to buy the plant and keep it at home for all your skin issues. And yes, you just need the gel and 1 or 2 drops of lavender oil, and just rub it the way I'm doing it, and let's begin. So my babies, I have been through my phase of acne, pimples, pigmentation, suntan, blemishes, wounds, burn marks. I've gone through all that, and I still go through. It's not a big deal, we all go through it. But there are like remedies which can really rectify the skin if you use it religiously, and this is my hittest remedy. This works superbly. There are other ways also of using the same ingredients. You can check in the description box. I have 2 more videos. This remedy is really good. It's like a miracle happening. Like seriously, if you have too many acne scars, even if your face is burnt or you have some wounds and you think it'll never go, it will go. I have had my share of acne scars. If you have been following me, you will know that I had an acne year, a pimple year, which I broke and it left a scar, and it's no more there now. So it's not a big deal to vanish any scar on your skin. Yeah, except stretch marks, it takes years. But this will just take a month or 2 and it will go away. It depends how deep your scar is. Sometimes it might take 3 months, it might take 4 months, sometimes it even might take a year if the scar is too prominent. But don't worry, it will go. You just have to use this natural ingredients and it will go. So what's the harm? So you just have to take this like this and go through your face. First wash your face with a natural face wash. You can check in the description box. You can watch any video of mine and make it, and just wash your face, pat it dry, and just go through this in your face very gently. You can even put it on your dark under eye if it is dark. If it is not also, you can, because it is superb even for rectifying and reducing wrinkles and fine lines. And this area gets the most wrinkles, like, yeah. What's the harm? That's all. You just have to apply it like this. You can of course apply this on your whole body, on your neck, and yes, you can apply it wherever you want. See to that you do not wash it after applying it. It gets absorbed very fast, so see that it remains on your skin as long as you can, and you can reapply it. Of course you can reapply it whenever you want. The more you reapply it, it is more superb. And yes, store this in the fridge. Keep it in a nice airtight dabba and keep it in the fridge, and you can use it for a week at least happily without any tension. So just take it out of the fridge and just go through your face. That's all. Every day, many times a day also, and there's no issue. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit a like. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. You never know who you might be helping, and you might be just giving someone some amazing radiant skin. And yes, don't forget to check the description box for all my social media links and even the links to the videos. Don't forget to watch the previous video because there is a giveaway going on there. If you didn't know, this remedy really heals the skin big time. It's just super for all skin issues. Like seriously, only thing is you have to have patience. You have to use it religiously, many times a day if you can, at least once a day if you can, and nothing like it. So yes, see ya later in another video very soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you did, thank you super much. And yes, see ya later in another video very soon. Bye bye.